Determine the values of A, B, C, and D that make the sum term equal to 0. A1 B0 C0 D0. B A1 B0 C1 D0. C A0 B1 C0 D0. D A1 B0 C1 D1. The correct answer is A1 B0 C1 D0. Which of the following expressions is in the sum of products SOP form? A B C D. B A B C D. C A B C D. D A B C D. The correct answer is A B C D. One of De Morgan's theorems states that, simply stated, this means that logically there is no difference between A NOR and an AND gate with inverted inputs, B a NAND and an OR gate with inverted inputs, C an AND and a NOR gate with inverted inputs, D a NOR and a NAND gate with inverted inputs. The correct answer is a NOR and an AND gate with inverted inputs. The commutative law of Boolean addition states that A B, A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. The systematic reduction of logic circuits is accomplished by A. Using Boolean algebra, B. Symbolic reduction, C. TTL logic, D. Using a truth table. The correct answer is using Boolean algebra. An AND gate with schematic bubbles on its inputs performs the same function as AND gate. A NOT, B O, C NOR, D NAND. The correct answer is NOR. For the SOP expression, how many 1s are in the truth table's output column? A1, B2, C3, D5. The correct answer is 3. A truth table for the SOP expression has how many input combinations? A1, B2, C4, D8. The correct answer is 8. How many gates would be required to implement the following Boolean expression before simplification XY XXZ YXZ? A1, B2, C4, D5. The correct answer is 5. Determine the values of A, B, C, and D that make the product term equal to 1. A0 B1 C0 D1. B A0 B0 C0 D1. C A1 B1 C1 D1. D A0 B0 C1 D0. The correct answer is A0 B1 C0 D1. What is the primary motivation for using Boolean algebra to simplify logic expressions? A. It may make it easier to understand the overall function of the circuit. B. It may reduce the number of gates. C. It may reduce the number of inputs required. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. How many gates would be required to implement the following Boolean expression after simplification XY XXZ YXZ? A1, B2, C4, D5. The correct answer is 2. AC ABC AC. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. Which Boolean algebra property allows us to group operands in an expression in any order without affecting the results of the operation? For example, A B B A associative, B commutative, C Boolean, D distributive. The correct answer is commutative. When grouping cells within a K-map, the cells must be combined in groups of A2S, B1248 etc., C4S, D3S. The correct answer is 1248 etc. Use Boolean algebra to find the most simplified SOP expression for FABD-CD ACD ABC ABCD. AFABD ABC CD. BFCD AD. CFBC AB. DFAC AD. The correct answer is FABD ABCCD. Occasionally a particular logic expression will be of no consequence in the operation of a circuit such as a BCD-to-decimal converter. These result in terms in the K-map and can be treated as either or in order to the resulting term. A don't care 1s 0s simplify. B spurious ands ors eliminate. C duplicate 1s 0s verify. D spurious 1s 0s simplify. The correct answer is don't care 1s 0s simplify. The NAND or NOR gates are referred to as universal gates because either A can be found in almost all digital circuits, B can be used to build all the other types of gates, C are used in all countries of the world, D were the first gates to be integrated. The correct answer is can be used to build all the other types of gates. The truth table for the SOP expression has how many input combinations? A1, B2, C4, D8. The correct answer is 8. Converting the Boolean expression LM MNO PQ to SOP form, we get A LM MNO PQ, B LM MNO PQ, C LM MNO PQ, D LM MNO PQ. The correct answer is LM MNO PQ. A Karnaugh map is a systematic way of reducing which type of expression? A product of sums, B exclusive NOR, C sum of products, D those with overbars. The correct answer is sum of products. The Boolean expression is logically equivalent to what single gate? A NAND, B NOR, C and D OR. The correct answer is NAND. For the SOP expression, how many zeros are in the truth table's output column? A0, B1, C4, D5. The correct answer is 4. Which statement below best describes a Karnaugh map? A. A Karnaugh map can be used to replace Boolean rules. B. The Karnaugh map eliminates the need for using NAND and NOR gates. C. Variable complements can be eliminated by using Karnaugh maps. D. Karnaugh maps provide a cookbook approach to simplifying Boolean expressions. The correct answer is Karnaugh maps provide a cookbook approach to simplifying Boolean expressions. Which of the examples below expresses the distributive law of Boolean algebra? A. ABC ABC, B. ABC AB AC, C. ABC AB AC, D. ABC ABC. The correct answer is ABC AB AC. Which of the following is an important feature of the sum of products SOP form of expression? A. All logic circuits are reduced to nothing more than simple AND OR gates. B. The delay times are greatly reduced over other forms. C. No signal must pass through more than 2 gates not including inverters. D. The maximum number of gates that any signal must pass through is reduced by a factor of 2. The correct answer is no signal must pass through more than 2 gates not including inverters. An OR gate with schematic bubbles on its inputs performs the same functions as an gate. A NOR, B OR, C NOT, D NAND. The correct answer is NAND. Which of the examples below expresses the commutative law of multiplication? A B B A, B A B B A, C A B B A, D A B A B. The correct answer is A B B A. Determine the binary values of the variables for which the following standard POS expression is equal to 0. A 010101, B 1st January 2010 00, C 000101, D 1st January 2001 00. The correct answer is 010101. The expression WX YZ can be converted to SOP form by applying which law? A. Associative law. B. Commutative law. C. Distributive law. D. None of the above. The correct answer is distributive law. The commutative law of addition and multiplication indicates that A. We can group variables in N or in N or any way we want. B. An expression can be expanded by multiplying term by term just the same as in ordinary algebra. C. The way we or and two variables is unimportant because the result is the same. D. The factoring of Boolean expressions requires the multiplication of product terms that contain like variables. The correct answer is the way we or and two variables is unimportant because the result is the same. Which of the following combinations cannot be combined into K-map groups? A. Corners in the same row. B. Corners in the same column. C. Diagonal. D. Overlapping combinations. The correct answer is diagonal.